Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly attract success, while others struggle despite their best efforts? Imagine discovering that there's a hidden force shaping your destiny, a mysterious power capable of turning your deepest desires into reality. This isn't fantasy. This is grounded in science. We're diving deep into the secret of your own potential, exploring how the subconscious mind and quantum physics can transform your reality. You've been navigating life unaware of the incredible power at your fingertips. The truth is, a hidden force shapes your destiny, a mysterious power that pulls your deepest desires into reality. This force isn't some mystical theory. It's firmly rooted in science. Consider quantum physics. At its core, everything around us, our devices, the stars in the sky, consists of waves of energy that respond to your attention and focus. The principles of quantum physics reveal that observing an object affects its state. Particles exist in a state of potential until they are observed, a phenomenon known as the observer effect. Your conscious attention literally shapes your material reality. The power of focus and neuroplasticity. This principle bridges the gap between the physical world and your personal experiences. Your focus acts like a signal, directing the flow of energy around you to align with your thoughts and emotions. This isn't just an abstract idea. It's a physical process observed in brain science. Neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections, responds directly to your repeated thoughts and focus. Consistently focusing on positive or negative thoughts reinforces certain neural pathways, programming your brain to perceive and interact with the world in ways that match your beliefs. Your brain's selective attention filters information based on your existing beliefs, prioritizing what aligns with them and ignoring what doesn't. For example, if you believe opportunities are scarce, you'll likely overlook potential opportunities because your brain isn't programmed to look for them. By changing your habits of focus, you can expand your perceptual field to include and attract more of the experiences you desire. Recognizing the power of focus and neuroplasticity naturally leads to understanding the pivotal role your subconscious mind plays in manifesting your reality. The world is made up of invisible energy waves that only become visible when you notice them. Your focus shapes what you create around you, guided by the beliefs and desires hidden deep within your subconscious. To manifest what you want, changing these deep-seated beliefs is essential. If the subconscious mind is cluttered with doubts, negative thoughts will prevent your desires from taking shape. The subconscious mind, operating beyond your conscious awareness, comprises about 95% of your brain's activity, including decisions, actions, emotions, behaviors, and reactions. When the conscious and subconscious minds are in conflict, the subconscious mind always wins due to its greater power. For instance, making a conscious decision to stop procrastinating without changing the subconscious desire to avoid specific tasks will eventually lead you back to procrastination. The subconscious mind needs to be retrained to value organization and timely action for lasting change. This principle applies to all areas of life, including fitness goals, dieting, finances, relationships, and career aspirations. Seeing the invisible. Delving deeper into the subconscious mind reveals another critical aspect of manifesting your reality: change blindness. This phenomenon shows how people often fail to notice significant changes in their environment, especially when their attention is diverted. Experiments like the invisible gorilla test highlight how our perceptual system can overlook changes, suggesting that we perceive and remember only a fraction of the visual details available to us at any given time. The experiences you want to manifest are not only possible but probable, yet they're often missed due to the focus of your conscious awareness. There are two ways to focus: on what is wanted and on what is unwanted. Many people focus on what is unwanted without realizing it. For instance, saving money to avoid financial struggle focuses on the negative. Instead, focusing on how saving money enhances your life creates a positive outcome. Your mind figures out how to create what is focused on. When attempting to move away from what is unwanted, the mind takes that focus literally and assumes you want more of it. This type of attention creates an internal map of reality that the mind follows, emphasizing the importance of controlling your focus to create the desired experiences. Practical techniques for manifesting reality. Mastering your reality requires practical techniques to retrain your subconscious mind. Reevaluate what seems negative by focusing on the good elements of seemingly bad events, attracting more positive experiences into your life. Train your mind to look for positives, and challenge yourself to engage in productive activities during free time, preventing the brain from reverting to old programming. Appreciate all the goodness you see. Offering gratitude for what is present teaches the mind what you want from life, making the practice automatic. Leverage your environment by placing symbols, colors, or items representing your goals in frequent sight. Engage more of your senses with sensory affirmations to reinforce your goals. Start your day with positive priming, such as motivational quotes or affirmations, to steer your subconscious mind toward positivity. Use habit stacking to link new desired habits to established ones, making the practice automatic. Be intentional about media consumption, engaging with content that uplifts and inspires. Visualize often, imagining scenarios where you feel fulfilled to guide your subconscious towards making these visions a reality. To achieve anything you want, change what's in your subconscious mind. If you don't like your current reality, retraining your subconscious through conscious focus can create a different reality, one more to your liking. Mastering your focus and attention allows you to create life intentionally. Your filters determine what you pay attention to. Use them consciously to create life in a specific, desired way. By operating your focus intentionally, you can manifest whatever you want, mapping out your future events with intention to help bring them to life. Using these techniques consistently can lead to unlimited success and prosperity. Your conscious mind is the master, and your subconscious mind is the genie. Train it well, and nothing can stop you from achieving your dreams. With that said, thanks for listening, and until next time.